Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL, Apple. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day here for Apple after earnings, and just a rough day for the markets as a whole, but a lot of updates here need to be done from the technical point of view. First, I'm going to do is just actually delete out a couple of these lines. Sure, they still pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states whenever levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So moving forward now, this area right here at 110.25 is going to be that initial area of resistance. Now, to give some credit where credit's due, last 30 minutes of the day, nice little green volume bar, nice green candle. So, I mean, that doesn't guarantee anything, but it's at least valid to think, okay, well, maybe this is the start of something bigger. So if the price does continue to work its way back upwards, the big question mark becomes, well, can the price not only get up to 110.25, but can it break up above it, and then most importantly, stay up above it? So keep a very close eye on that. That'll be an important area of resistance early into the week. And then as far as if the price could break above that level, at that point, next key overarching level would be that purple line up there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average, currently valued at 113.15. Now, as far as levels of support, first key level, very straightforward, just a question of, okay, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And the bleeding finally stopped down there at 107.65. So that'll be the first key level of support to watch. If that area can't quite hold up, then the next key area of support to watch after that one would then be down there at the 105 mark. So yeah, things are still looking rough here for it, but it is Apple, so I suppose you never know. But next week's definitely going to be a very, very interesting bit of time, and we'll see how things play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.